Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hey, siyababona abafowethu babhizi bazulazula bahamba from city to city bahambe belwa lento yama foreigners bathi babaxosha manjena sebekhathele yabo okuyinto engeke ngize ngithi mina yimbi because akufanele ube sezweni ngongekho emthethweni yabo so benza into enhle but na indaba la efike ibe buhlungu khona ngoba akusizi ukulwa impi uhulumeni angazimisele ukuyilwa because it's very clear ukuthi uhulumeni indaba la uhulumeni inkinga yabo uhulumeni uma engenza umsebenzi wakhe amele ilizwe lethu njengoba simqoka ukuthi asimele uma engasakwenze lokho ngeke sesibe nazo lezi inkinga lezi esinazo manje ngoba kade ngibuka nje enye ivideo manje la ngicansile umbhema abathungizwe ngathi noma ungizwe noma ungiza ngisayona something like that kade ngibuka enye ivideo manje uya lapha kubantu lapha emgwaqweni uthi uzama ukubaxosha lo omunye uthi yena uyivisitor la eSouth Africa unamaphepha yabo now sekuthiwe ke veza amaphepha ke usekuthini usethi uyiphoyisa na wena yayibona into leyo and uqinisile futhi ngoba ngeke awukwazi ukuthi ke uvele uhambe nje uyovezisa abantu amaphepha abo okubala eSouth Africa abawanikeziwe ugovernment angeke uvele ukwazi nje ungelona iphoyisa so into ithi amaphoyisa aphona ngoba ukube kuthiwa iwona ngaba akakwazi ukuthi avedane aphendule ngalendlela aphendule ngayo umnumzane lo kade ethi yena unamaphepha ula as a visitor and unamaphepha ngoba mase bethi bonke banamaphepha manjena bonke bathi bacashe kuleli ukuthi banamaphepha and mawuthi abawaveze bazokutshela ukuthi awulona iphoyisa wena awunalungelo ukuthi hamba bakhombisa amaphepha hamba bafuna amaphepha engathi ekugcineni into ithini na ugovernment wethu uye osilahlayo uma ugovernment engasi lento ayisukumele ayimele lento le angeke kuze kube inkinga engaka yabo angeke zibe inkinga izibe ilento eyona inkinga ukuthini na kusuka abantu aba concerned emalokishini ngoba bebona izinkinga ezifika nalabantu abama foreigners now labantu bazama ukuyilwela ngezabi izandla lento le yabo ekugcineni uhulumeni akenzi lutho ngoba uhulumeni mase to deploy amasosha namaphoyisa kuthiwa bayakhishwa labantu laba angeke bagoloze kanjena ngoba manje vele amaphoyisa vele anelungelo ukuthi ahambe encourage amaphepha kubantu ukuthi they are here by law yini noma bala ngokushushumbiswa yabo so in the end ngingizwe bethi enene labantu ugovernment angekeze njobe engabanakile njobe engaxakile ukuthi abakhiphe is because there's some benefit ugovernment ya benefit angazi kanjani kodwa ke mina ngingathi lento yafana nalento ukuthini na ugovernment afika aqasha amaphoyisa ukuthi amaphoyisa alwe nobugebengu nama drugs but at the same time kube huye futhi ugovernment noma kube huye uhulumeni odedela ama drugs ukuthi angene kuma borders because I don't think ukuthi la eSouth Africa bakhona odokotela abakha ama drugs awakhiwa la eSouth Africa aya importwa they come from other countries yabo mhlambe angangicorrect waziyo ukuthi ke there is a lab la eSouth Africa ekhanda ama drugs even amaphilisi lawa esiwadla ebhedlela esosayibhedlela yabo aya importwa athengwa kwamanye amazwe yabo sisenza amanye amazwe ukuthi abe rich ngokuthenga lama drugs so eSouth Africa awakhandwa ama drugs awenziwa ama drugs awukho la okukhandwa khona ama drugs aya import umbuzo uthi ugovernment wadedela kanjani ama drugs ukuthi angene kuma borders yabo emva lokho bese adlale ngabafowethu lana abamaphoyisa athi abagijimise abantu la abahupha indaba yama drugs kodwa kuyibona abawadedela lapha yana yabo ekugcineni futhi uma usuwagijimisa uyiphoyisa elimele iqiniso bayibona futhi abazigijima bakubulalisa yabo ngoba phela ekugcineni manje ungethi uma usu uncover wonke lama syndicates lawa lokunja bona yabo uphuca bona isinkwa sabo lesi abasidlayo ngokuthi ngena ama drugs la esathi ngoba phela ba benefita njengoba bededela ama drugs nje ukuthi angene kuma borders ba benefita bona abo labantu abale phezulu kuba parliament lapha ehlaleni zasemaparliament ba benefita labantu ukuthi ingena ama drugs la ngoba angena at a price yabo angena at a price bayathola imali bona so ngeke lento le ungitshela ukuthi uzodlala ngamaphoyisa uthi amaphoyisa awagijimisa igebengu agijimisa ama drugs la yabo udlala ngabo obegcineni bagcina bebulalana bodwa ngoba manje bonke labantu laba yabo noma ngithi abanye they are involved kuyona lento yama drugs abanye bayawadayisa uthola ukuthi umuntu omusha Nkosi yami ozifikelayo kwiforce owayenephupho lokuthi ufisa ukuba yiphoyisa Nkosi yamandla afike nathi uyasebenza uthi uzothi eseqala uncover seqala ukuthi ke afinyelele kulama crimes lawo esewa uncover ngokwempela uthi uzothezwa la ukapteni usiyambizela eceleni usiyamkhuza ngoba ukapteni uyazi vele ukuthi nawe uya benefit included la ama mafia aselokishini ama mafia kulelo city lelo a reporter kuye uyavumela yena ukuthi aphushele umshikashika lo yabo so ekugcineni kudlala yabo impi le ongeke uzuyinqobe impi nje ongeke uzuyinqobe ngoba uhulumeni wethu akayimisele ngokuyilwa yabo sisodwa nje kulempi le so mina ingakho ngithi mina usenkingeni uma ungokholelwa kumbuso kaNkulunkulu ozayo ngoba umbuso kaNkulunkulu ozayo uzochitha yonke lembuso le engasiphethe ngeqiniso uzodiliza yonke lembuso le uzophatha abantu ngeqiniso nangokuthula yabo ijustice nefairness izokwenzeka uma kufika umbuso kaNkulunkulu mina lo engikholwa kuwoza ingakho mina ngayikhathaza ngazo zonke lezi izinto lezi ezenzakalayo angivotisha ukuvota angisihlanganisi nje nazo zonke lezi zinto ngoba mina umbuso my allegiance are towards the coming kingdom of Christ yabo yibona umbuso ke elithi iBhayibheli uNebukadnezar wabona isithombe sishawa yitshe elasuka lingathathwa ngasandla samuntu kodwa la isukela lapha laphihliza isithombe saNebukadnezar sabhidlika zonke lezi zinto so umbuso kaKristu uza kanjalo uzobhidliza yonke imibuso ekhona emhlabeni from Africa to America izoyibhidliza yonke ngoba isikhombisile ukuthi abantu ayikwazi ukubaphatha ngeqiniso yabo so usenkingeni uma ungakholelwa kulombuso kaNkulunkulu ozayo ngoba umbuso oze neqiniso leli nilifuna leli nililwelayo uze ukuzobuyisela umhlaba kubantu abafanele uNkulunkulu mayifika uzodelegate la ukuthi abantu abahlale endaweni kufanele bahlale kuzo abantu abangafanele bahlale la ababuyele emazweni abo ngoba iqiniso lithi asikwazi ekugcineni ukulwisa the Africans ngoba abantu abaningi esibalwisayo kulento yama foreigners ama Africans yabo ala abantu abamnyama njengathi ngokwebala abala eAfrica yabo iqiniso ke lithi ke asikwazi ukuthi silwisele abantu laba kusakhona abelungu ngoba abelungu ababelongi ngisho nala eAfrica abelungu abale Europe yabo abelungu obomdabu basuka le Europe by right noma by biblical law they are not supposed to be here eAfrica they are not supposed to be here South Africa kodwa sibhizi silwisa laba bayibala lethu egcineni in the end yabothi lento basiqhathile basenza silwe sodwa yabo egcineni isitha sangempela asenziwa lutho sihlalele nje sayibusela sayidalela ngoba ngokomthetho abantu abangena malungelo ukuthi babe la eAfrica abelungu ngoba akusilona ilizwe labo leli yabo amazwe abaleko Europe lephezulu lapho bebelonga khona yabo but ke I'm not saying ukuthi axoshwa abelungu ke manje ngoba egcineni phela mase sesixoshwa abelungu kusho ukuthi singasala silambe phela manje ngoba izinto eziningi amabhizinisi amaningi izitolo zokudla ziphethwe yibona izitolo zokugqoka ziphethwe yibona kaEskom yibo futhi abaphethe yabo yibo labantu laba manje abaphethe la baphethe zonke izinto manje izinto esidepende kuzona on a daily basis siphethwe yibo so asikwazi ukuthi manje singabaxosha manje yabo asikwazi singabaxosha manje so mina into yami ithi siyabadabukela noma sisenkingeni ngoba as a country silwa impi uhulumeni angazimisele ngokuyilwa ngoba uhulumeni ufuna ukuthi udeploy amasosha namaphoyisa emgwaqweni kanje kungavele kuhambe nje abantu nje abangaphethe lutho abangana ama rights abangaphethe ngisho ibhamu yabo because yini abazoyenza manje yini abazoyenza ayikho into abazoyenza so inkinga la uhulumeni osiphethe yabo indaba ilapha enhloko lapha ikhanda lapha mase kudilwe nekhanda mhlawumbe umzimba wonke ungathi ukusamuka ngoba awukho into ozoyenza umzimba uma konakele lapha ekhanda phezulu lapha eParliament babhizi babangamathende lapha babangihlalo lapha ngoba bayabenefita bayantshontsha badla imali lezi kodwa abenzi lutho egcineni yabo abenzi lutho.
I thank God that there is someone out there who sees this whole chaos the same way I see it, because I've been saying the very same thing, Uguti. You are fighting nothing, because at this point I feel like the government was supposed to intervene and also help the citizens to fight this situation, but unfortunately they are not doing anything. And yes, I did saw the video of O Ngizwe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right. I saw his video whereby he was asking this Malawian guy, Oguti, do you have papers? And the guy said yes. And he was like, where are the papers? The guy asked him back, or like, are you a police officer? Yes, like, are you a police officer? And yes, it's not wrong for asking. He's right for asking, because obviously a citizen have no right to go around asking people for their documents, and you don't have those rights. But unfortunately the government is not doing anything about it. They were supposed to send out those police officers and also ask those documents, but unfortunately it will not work out because guys, it's a lot is going on. I actually saw this other video also whereby it was Penwell. He was explaining everything, the video about Zimbabwe, and saying that they're not going back because of this and this, and then they mentioned Uguti, police officers from that side, they must, from the border, those that works that side, they must stop taking something from them. Yes, I don't know if it's okay for me to pronounce it, but you know what I'm talking about, okay? And for me, I feel like as long as people are still fighting on their own without the government included, without the government getting involved, it's like you're fighting nothing. Like you are fighting nothing. I'm telling you right now that those people that they've removed from the spaza shops, when they were doing that march and march, they're back in those spaza shops. They're back. And the other thing again that I feel like it's also like straining this whole fight is the fact that South Africans are not standing on their like together, because there are people that stand with this march and march, and there are people that are against it. And obviously those that are against it are those that have properties. There is no way that you can come here and tell me that do not rent out your property to foreigners. While I don't have money, I have kids to feed, I have kids that have to go to school. And when you're just coming here and telling me that you are not contributing anything in my life, you are not even helping with anything, obviously I will not listen to you. I will not listen to you if I do have property. I will put whoever that will pay me when the month end. I want the money. That's all that matters. And I feel like that's the other big problem that we have.